Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make what I call a spicy lime shrimp. Our ingredients is going to be shrimp, stick of butter, some fresh garlic, some cherry tomatoes, some red pepper flakes, and some limes. One of my favorite restaurants here in Palm Springs downtown is called the Revel Public House, and they make a spicy lime shrimp, and I could eat that all day long. So I thought, you know what, today I don't even know, I haven't talked to the chef. I just try to figure out by eating it what goes in it. So we're gonna try it today. And we got our butter in here. We're gonna make sure this adds, and then I'm gonna add my garlic. And the red pepper flakes that's where the spicy comes in. And the lime juice gives it a really good flavor too. All right, we're cooking. So let's add our shrimp. This goes pretty fast. Shrimp will cook just in a minute or so. Garlic and butter always smells good. And then when I turn it over, I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. I just crank that down to probably around medium. That's what I just now did. I want the shrimp to kind of get a little brownish to it, you know, not just white. So I'm going to leave it in here until I'm checking it from time to time. And then when it gets like that, then we're going to flip it over. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Yeah, see, about like that right there. That's looking pretty good. See how, and it starts to curl up when it starts cooking. Shrimp will. All right, now while that's doing that, let's sprinkle some red pepper flakes on top, and I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes and just let those cook in here with the shrimp. Ow, that's hot. I always burn myself. I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice in. And throw that right on top. I tell you, it really smells good. I mean, it's a good combination. Red pepper, the butter, garlic, lime juice. Now this is the color we want for our shrimp, just like that right there. And we're just going to lay that on the plate. Across there. All right, now what I want to do is put a little bit of the lime and butter and garlic and our tomatoes. Put some of those in. Up. Drizzle a little bit of that over there. Let's do one more. And the reason I want to put a little extra in here is because I want to dip the bread in the sauce. Let's garnish it just a little bit here with a wedge of lime. And let's do another wedge of lime over here. And just for the fun of it, let's just do a little bit of lime juice over the top. I got a baguette. This is what makes it really good here. It's my favorite thing. So I just like to dip the bread in here. So good. And now let me try the shrimp. I'm going to see if it's as good as Revel Public House in Palm Springs. It's so good. It's close to Revel Public House in Palm Springs. I mean, it's really good, but they're the experts at it. So I guess if you're in Palm Springs and you want the real deal, go there and by their spicy lime shrimp. But I'll tell you what, this is pretty good here, and you can really feel the heat from the red pepper flakes. So anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, send me comments, good or bad. Thank you. Take care, see you later.